So real quick, I just wanted to give a huge shout out to Bobby DeGarts, of course. You've gotten me to this point, and it's been amazing. Honestly, the past few days I've gotten so much support. Meeting you and your wife at Maker Faire was a dream come true to me, and it was one of the coolest moments of my life. I wanted to just tell you guys about the future of everything. And not that big a deal. We only have like a few videos, but I'm rocking that Hogwarts tee for a future video. There's a certain movie coming up that you guys should probably have heard about by now. But I just started high school, so the workload has been increasing, and I just wanted to make sure that I had everything under control up until now. So I think I have a pretty good hold on everything. I want to show you guys this one thing, okay? This is Bobby's pendant, okay? Freaking awesome. Then this is my pendant. I'm getting there. I'm working on it.